Time for a crypto market update, Monday, March 3rd, 2025. Now, today you may have awoken to negative price action, or maybe even some of your favorite TikTokers are opening their videos saying, I'm worried, or they're defending their previous bearish statements, or there's a lot of new worry now that we reported yesterday on the Trump announcement about the crypto strategic reserve. I thought that was supposed to be a game changer, etc. But then you wake up and you see the price going down. Okay, well, first things first, no prices go up straight up forever, right? And yesterday was the largest green candle day in Bitcoin history, which was a really strong statement. And anytime you see those kinds of movements, that's where the phrase "don't chase green candles" comes into play, because you're always going to get a retest. You're always going to get a pullback or a correction from the market. It's going to take a respite. But let's talk a little bit more deeply about what's coming in the months ahead. I'm very bullish, and I believe we're about to have an incredible bull run, one that everyone's been waiting on. And then I think we're going to have a massive stock and crypto market crash. But until then, as long as the DXY continues to make lower highs, and as long as we keep breaking down and make lower lows, the DXY, the strength of the dollar, is going to underperform the prices of risk-on assets and ultimately provide way for the M2 money supply and global liquidity to flow into the things that we're invested in. And that's where you get the 5x, the 10x, the 20x, the Valhalla returns that everyone talks about in crypto. As a matter of fact, depending on when you got into crypto, you've already experienced those gains, especially if you got into the market around January 2023 and you've held or purchased and accumulated up until now. But let's now turn our attention to this. This is an image that you're not going to be able to read just because I can't share it large enough, but this is an image. If you Google wall of worry, this is a psychological part of investing, a psychological part of bull markets that you need to be aware of, so that your favorite influencers who are trying to sound smart here and act like they're going to outwit this bull market don't trick you into selling your crypto portfolio. You see, crypto investing is a mind game, and understanding market cycle knowledge is one of the biggest edges you can have as a crypto investor. And we all know that if you want to make life-changing money in crypto, you got to have an edge first and foremost. The wall of worry